guys, it's me, Carter York, and I remember wondering why didn't I film a video lately? It's because of the fact that my Christmas and my family and all that stuff. But look, I got a package, and I'm gonna open it. So enjoy. It's a Scooby-Doo Friends and Foes Action Piece Play Set. Show it. Hey. Who's that? Ghost Racer, Daphne, Fred, Shaggy, Velma, Scooby, Beast of the Bottomless Lake, Witch Doctor, the Ghost of Redbeard, and this guy, the 10,000 Volt Ghost. Now, it says here that this is that this is not for young, really young kids. And it says here, we're gonna go over what they are. Scooby-Doo. Real name Scoobert, nickname Scooby. Age 7. His ambition is to eat more food. Scooby Snacks. Dislikes ghosts, witches, monsters, and demons. Shaggy. Name Norval Rogers. Hair messy. Age 17. Ambition none. And he likes what's edible. Fred. Name is Fred Jones. Sweater ascot. Montbook. Age 17. Ambition to be a successful inventor. Likes a challenge. Daphne. Her hair perfect. Age 16. To become a famous mystery writer. Likes solving mysteries and looking. Velma. Name Velma. Eyes not so good. Age 15. Ambition to get into a mentor, which means, group of smart people. And likes science, logic, puzzles, and mysteries. And that's all what we got. The Scooby-Doo Friends and Foes. Enjoy, bye. And so do I. We like it.